Let's check our individual hypotheses. So double quotes are always stripped from tagged input. Well, here's double quotes. They're stripped. This is correct. Next, tags in double quotes are not stripped. Well, if we have tags over here, they are stripped. If they are in double quotes, they're not stripped, so this is correct as well. The tag bold is always stripped from the input. Not the case. See over here. So not correct. And four-letter words are stripped. Well, actually, we don't know this because we don't have a four-letter word in here. But at this point, there's no reason to believe that four-letter words would be stripped. You can still try this out yourself. What we have now is two hypotheses which are consistent with our observations so far. These may be two separate issues, but chances are that they're actually tied to each other. Let's focus on the first hypothesis because it's simpler.